Girls, come help me.
Mom was calling the girls to help her in the kitchen, but one was busy playing a game and the other was lying down because she was sick.
What happened, Mom?
It's nothing, my child. You just focus on your studies. You are sleeping here while I am working hard in the kitchen. Now come and help me.
But Mom, I am sick.
I know all your excuses. You just want to sleep and nothing else. Now go and put this soup on the table. Can't you even do one thing properly? You ruined the whole meal.
Mom, look what I won in the lottery. I won free tickets for amusement park.
Oh, wow, Sophie, that's amazing.
Now let's go, Mom.
Yes, let's go.
But what about Lily?
She's going to stay right here and clean up the mess she made.
The mother cat went out with Sophie and completely forgot that she had left the food on the stove. Lily didn't know either that something was cooking on the stove and she went to sleep. In no time, the whole house caught fire.
We had so much fun today. Who set this fire in my house?
It must be Lily.
Luckily, Lily made it out of the burning house.
There is no one in the house.
Then where did she go? Did she die?
It would be better if she's dead.
Hearing this from her mother shattered Lily's heart, and she ran away, crying.
Oh no! Let's go home, sweetie.
Who are you, officer?
From now on, I am your new dad.
New dad?
Yes, dear.
A kind police officer adopted Lily, and they started living happily together.
Take this money and leave us.
Hey, stop right there. Mom, Sophie.
Lily!
Mom,
You can't catch me. I'm your mother. There's still time. Come to our side and we'll become very rich.
Mom, stop it.
Arrest them!
Oh no, run!
Stop right there, Mom, or I'll shoot.
Mom, are you all right?
You are under arrest.
I'm such a bad daughter.
No, dear. You didn't do anything wrong. You just did your duty. and I am so proud of you.
Mom, Dad, look, isn't that amazing? This is all your fault. Mom is dead because they cared about their family first.
Hey, buddy, how about we go somewhere fun?
Go away! I don't want to see you! This is all your fault. Mom is dead because they cared by their first...
Everyone hand over all the money.
Give up. You've been captured. I'm okay, my child, don't worry.
Wretched fox, I will catch you.
Be careful, the box is very...
Everybody freeze. Evil fox, it's time to pay the price.
Oh, do you want to capture me, or are you after money?
Justice always prevails.
Mom, look! I got 100 marks!
Oh, wow. Jimmy, you are great.
Thanks, Mom! Mom, I got 60 marks!
What is this? Tommy? You got only 60 marks.
But I did my best!
This is not best. It's worse. Now go to your room and study.
Why does Mom get so angry at me?
Hey, Jimmy. Here is your present for getting 100 marks.
Oh, wow, Mom! You are great! Mom, where is mine?
Did you get 100 marks?
No.
Then no iPhone for you.
Why doesn't Mom love me? Mom, I want to eat sandwich.
Oh, Jimmy, I will make a sandwich for you right now.
Mom, I also want to eat sandwich.
If you want to eat sandwich, make it yourself. I don't have that much time.
Why don't Mom love me like she loved Jimmy? I will also study hard and score 100 marks. Then Mom will love me too.
I'm not feeling well. Jimmy, will you come with me to the hospital?
Can't you see, Mom? I'm busy.
Jimmy, I think I have to go alone.
Huh? Who is she? Oh no, it's Mom! Don't worry, Mom. I won't let anything happen to you.
How did I get here? Oh, Tommy. Oh, Tommy. Tommy, wait!
Mom,
Why are you leaving?
I thought you still hated me. That's why I was leaving.
Sorry, Tommy. I couldn't be a good mother.
No, Mom, you are a good mother. Dad, I want a big new toy car.
Of course. Dad will buy everything for you.
I want to buy new jewelry.
Get out!
The cat stepmother and the cat lover are up to something.
Quickly implement the plan.
Okay!
Oh no! The cat lover kidnapped the kitten and blackmailed the cat father.
Hello? Who are you?
Your son is in my hands before 9 a.m. tomorrow. If you don't bring enough 5 million USD, then wait there to receive your son's money.
Get out!
Where's the money?
Where is my son?
Dad, save me!
The cat stepmother opened the bag and saw all white paper.
Are you kidding me?
Oh no! They were so angry that they killed the kitten and ran away. They ran fast trying to escape from the cat father's followers. A container rushes by. The cat lover swerved, causing the car to fall into the abyss. The kitten finally woke up.
Let's eat!
Hurry up!
Can I give it to my grandmother?
Eat up!
Suddenly, the cat accidentally dropped the plate on the floor.
If you can't eat, then starve.
The kitten comforts Grandma Cat.
Get to work. This house is not for idlers.
Mom, you can't do that to her.
Go study.
The old cat is so pitiful. Even though the kitten tried to protect it, it was useless.
Freeloader!
Make me a cup of tea.
Grandma Cat's weak hand held the teacup. Oh no! The hot tea spilled on Daddy Cat. The evil father cat beat the grandmother cat badly. The old cat dragged her weak body back to her room. The grandma cat fell asleep, never to wake again. Grandma, wake up! Wake up! The kitten wiped away her tears, determined to get justice for her grandmother. The kitten misses her grandma so much. The kitten dreams about her grandma. Finally, the kitten became a good lawyer. The kitten gave the judge evidence that she was abused. And this is the end of those who are unfilial to their parents.
I did it, Grandma.
Mom, can you take me to school?
Okay, let me take you today.
Today, the kitten didn't want to walk, so it asked Mom to drive it to school by car, and the mother cat agreed.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, little friends.
It was class time, and the teacher was about to check homework. But unfortunately, the kitten had forgotten to do it.
Oh no, what should I do?
The teacher was very angry because the kitten didn't do its homework and used a ruler to punish the kitten.
You must be punished.
I must take revenge. Aha! Here it is.
Oh my God! The kitten used oil and chalk to plan revenge on the teacher for what happened last time.
Oh no! Who did this?
The plan was successful, but the teacher got really angry. The kitten was punished again, but this time it escaped and reported to the principal. The police arrived to check the classroom cameras.
You have been arrested.
The black cat loved the white cat so much that every day the black cat came to the flower shop to bother the white cat. The police cat saw something wrong and immediately came to rescue the white cat.
Go away!
The dark cat left, full of hatred. The white cat was moved by the police cat.
I love you.
The two of them fell in love and got married. Oh no! The black cat wants to ruin their wedding.
You deserve to die.
White cat stands in front of police, cat husband to block bullets for husband. The police cat kicked the black cat's gun to the ground.
Bye-bye.
What's going on? The plane is on fire. Father and son saw the news on TV and ran to the hospital in panic. The mother cat did not survive.
I will take good care of you.
Daddy cat meets a girl. The father cat just left. The stepmother revealed her evil nature. The father cat suddenly returned.
Scalawag!
The father cat was very angry, punched the stepmother cat, and kicked her out of the house.
Oh no, I am late for school. May I come in, teacher?
Jerry, you're late again. When will you ever learn?
I'm sorry, teacher.
All right, everyone, submit your homework.
Oh no, I totally forgot to do my homework.
Jerry, where is your homework?
I forgot to do my homework.
Go, stand outside the classroom.
I am home, Mom.
Can you explain it for me?
I was just...
I have told you so many times to study, but you never take me seriously. Now, go and complete your homework.
Why does study make me so sleepy? All right, I'll just play a game for a little while. Yay, I won!
The game was the only thing in his life that made him feel good. But when he played games, he became a new and a happy person. And slowly, he started getting more and more into the game.
I am home, Mom!
Don't forget to do your homework.
Okay, Mom. Yay, I won!
Jerry, did you finish your homework? Huh? I told you to do your homework, and here you are playing games.
Mom, I did half of my homework. Just a little bit is left.
That's enough. Today, I'm putting an end to this game once and for all.
Mom, no! Mom! What have you done? This was the only thing that made me feel good, and you ruined it. Gaming competition? Hey, I want to participate in it.
You can go that way.
So you are going to compete with me, you tiny little bug?
GameStar. You won. Final round. Victory.
Is that Jerry? I'm so sorry, Jerry. I never tried to understand your feelings. I'm so sorry, Jerry. I never should have treated you that way.
It's okay, Mom.
This family is going to adopt a kitten named Tom.
We will raise him well.
Bye-bye. Maybe Tom the kitten has fallen into a bad family.
This is your new home. Timmy is your brother.
Hi, brother. You have to listen to me. Now, you go to do my homework right now.
Wake up! Wake up! Do you think you can sleep in?
Day after day, the kitten had to do one chore after another. The kitten misses his friends and his teacher very much. The kitten is determined to leave this house. After much effort, the kitten became a lawyer.